Now, the first thing to start with our project is to make sure that we have Node.js installed on our machine. So go ahead, open up your favorite terminal on your machine and write node dash version and hit enter. Now for me, it's already installed with a version 20.11.1. Now, if you got an error or you have different version, that is okay. Just go ahead to Node.js, and the setup is very simple. Just click download or get in Node.js, and then it download an extension installer on your machine, and then you just click it and keep following the steps. Okay, just take all default steps like you install any tool on your machine. When it is completed, rerun your terminal, close it if you have it open already, then open it up again, then run this command, then you should see a version on your screen. LangChain that we are going to use requires a minimum version. To make sure the time you're watching this course that you visit LangChain within npmjs.com and just scroll a little bit down, and then you can see here the supported environments. And within here you have Node.js, and here you have the minimum versions. For me, I can see this version 20 is there, so I'm good. I don't have to reinstall Node.js, and I'm free to go ahead with the next step.